This tutorial will show you how to set up Kahoot, which is a student response system for your classroom. To get started, go to getkahoot.com and sign in. One thing I want to tell you is that if you are short on time, you may want to look through the public Kahoots. Those are pre-made quizzes that others have made that may fit into your curriculum. If you'd like to create something from scratch, you're going to go ahead and click on Quiz and give your quiz a name. From here, you can begin creating your questions. You add the question on top and then be sure to put your answers in the bottom. And also be sure to mark the correct answer. Just want to mention two other things you can do. You can insert an image. So if you'd like students to answer a question based on an image, that is an option. The other one that works pretty well, I know it says experimental, but I tried it this week and works pretty well, putting in a YouTube video. And to do that, when you're on the video, you're going to need those last, let me go to a specific video. Rogers touchdown, perfect. You're going to need those last numbers in that URL. Those are the ones you're going to copy to then put in, and you can even specify start and end time for the video. So those are two options that you may want to check out. One other thing I want to draw your attention to is the time limit or playback. Especially if you have younger students, you're probably going to want to bring the playback time or give them lots of time to answer the question. The nice thing about this is even if all of your students complete the question in 10 seconds, but you have it set to 60, it will still stop. So you don't have to sit there for an additional 50 seconds waiting for the timer to run out. From here, you can continue to add questions or you can save and continue. For time's sake, I'm going to go ahead and save right now. You can specify language, privacy settings, primary audience, and give it a description if you'd like. And I'm going to go ahead and click Save and Continue. And you do have some other options to give your quiz a cover image. So while your participants are waiting to enter their PIN, they would be able to see that. You can also embed a YouTube video if you want them to be watching that while they wait. But that is not a necessity. I'm going to go ahead and click Done. And from here, this is where you can start the quiz. So your participants are going to actually go to a separate web address, kahoot.it. So they're going to go to the web browser on any device, head to kahoot.it, and they're going to be waiting for that game pin. Once you click play now on your quiz, it is going to give you some options like displaying your game pin throughout. You can have music playing while they're waiting. Check through those options to see if they appeal to you. But once you launch the quiz, that is when that game pin comes up. So your students or your participants will go ahead and use that game pin at kahoot.it and your assessment will begin. Thanks for watching.